guys, welcome again to Learning TWI, the Fun with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Mɛsisie, and for today's lesson we have two translations from two different people. So the first person that wanted something translated was Drew. So what Drew wanted was, he had some questions and he wanted me to translate those questions and also give an answer or a response to those questions. So the first thing that Drew wanted to know was, where are you from? And that in TWI can be said in two ways. So the first way of saying that is wufrihe, and the second way of saying that is ehina ufri. So again, wufrihe or ehina ufri. Now in response to that would be mifri Ghana or mifri South Africa or whichever place you're from, right? So the second thing that Drew wanted to know was, where do you stay? So where do you stay in TWI can be said in two ways. The first way is wotihe, and the second way of saying it is ehina uti. So it's wotihe and ehina uti. And a response to that would be, you meet to South Africa or whichever place you're from, right? And the next thing that Drew wanted to know was, what is your father and mother's name? So that can be said in these ways, right? Wo papa dindi saying is, what is your father's name? And mami dindi saying is, what is your mother's name? So you can say, me papa dindi Kwesi, which is my father's name is Kwesi, or me mami dindi Ama, which is my mother's name is Ama. And the last thing that Drew wanted to know was, what do you do for a living? So that in TWI can be said as ejuma ben na woyɛ. Again, ejuma ben na woyɛ. Now the response to that could be meyɛ kyerɛkyerɛni or teacher, which in short is teacher in TWI. So kyerɛkyerɛni is teacher. So the answer to that would be meyɛ kyerɛkyerɛni. Drew, thank you for all your support. I really appreciate it. So the next person that wanted something translated was Afare. Afare, as usual, thanks again for your continued support. So these are the few things that Afare wanted to know. So the first thing that Afare wanted to know was, you look like you've just seen a ghost. Again, you look like you've just seen a ghost. And that in TWI can be said as Wosɛ Obiara saman. Again, Wosɛ Obiara saman. And the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, I will furnish the house this week. I will furnish the house this week. And that in TWI can be said as Mɛsisie efie numu nawɔtwe mu. Again, Mɛsisie efie numu nawɔtwe mu. And the next thing that Afare wanted to find out was, don't interfere in this situation. Again, don't interfere in this situation. Ɛnfa nhyɛ asɛm mu. Again, Ɛnfa nhyɛ asɛm mu. The next thing that Afare wanted to know was, nobody cares. Ɛnfa Obiara ho. Again, Ɛnfa Obiara ho. And the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, I don't care what you decide to do about it. Again, I don't care what you decide to do about it. In TWI, that can be said as Ɛnfa me ho nneɛ wobɛ afa ho. And the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, what are you planning to do on your birthday? Again, what are you planning to do on your birthday? Deɛ na wosusu sɛ wobɛyɛ wɔ wawoda. Again, deɛ na wosusu sɛ wobɛyɛ wɔ wawoda. And the next thing that Afare wanted to find out was, do you still have it? Woda so. Again, woda so. And the last thing that Afare wanted to find out was, God has answered our prayers. That in TWI can be said as Onyame tie yɛn mpaebɔ. Again, Onyame tie yɛn mpaebɔ. So guys, that's about it for this week's translation. I just want to say thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you for loving the content enough to actually subscribe to it. Thank you for my old subscribers for always supporting me and sticking with me. For the coronavirus, it's getting worse out there. Please stay indoors. It's not about you, it's about the other person. Please always wear your mask when in public, right? And only go out for essential service, be it medical service or for food, right? And guys, please remember to download the TWI Junior Pro app. With that and these lessons, you learn the language quicker. And guys, if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button and please click on the bell button for future notifications. From me, guys, as usual, with lots of love. See you next week. Bye.